Welcome to Elite Auto Rides. If you're a fan of adventure, road trips, and the freedom of van life, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into all the exciting details about the highly anticipated 2026 Ford Transit camper van. Ford has taken one of its most reliable platforms and reimagined it for the modern traveler, delivering a vehicle that's both rugged and refined. The 2026 model pushes the boundaries of comfort, efficiency, and versatility, making it one of the most talked-about camper vans in recent memory. One of the standout features of the 2026 Ford Transit camper van is its new hybrid powertrain. Ford has responded to growing demand for more eco-conscious travel options by offering a plug-in hybrid version that balances power and fuel efficiency. You get the benefit of lower emissions and improved mileage without compromising on performance. For those who prefer traditional power, there's also an upgraded turbocharged V6 option that brings smooth acceleration and enough torque to handle even the steepest inclines with ease. The exterior design sees a modern refresh with sleeker body lines, integrated LED lighting, and newly designed aerodynamic mirrors that reduce drag while enhancing style. Ford has also introduced several new color options to reflect the adventurous spirit of its users, including deep forest green, coastal blue, and desert tan. Off-road packages will now come with all-terrain tires, underbody protection, and enhanced ground clearance, making this van even more capable for tackling the wild outdoors. Step inside, and the 2026 Transit camper van truly shines. The interior has been completely rethought for the van life generation. It features a smart layout that maximizes space with a convertible bed system, modular kitchen setup, and plenty of concealed storage. High-quality materials and finishes give the cabin a premium feel, while the ambient lighting and panoramic sunroof elevate the overall vibe. Ford's designers have clearly paid attention to the little things, from adjustable LED reading lights to noise insulation that ensures a peaceful night's sleep wherever you park. Tech lovers will be impressed with the revamped infotainment system, now housed in a 13-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates. The van also comes with Ford's latest Co-Pilot 360 safety suite, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system that makes parking a breeze even in tight camping spots. Optional solar panels on the roof and a lithium-ion battery system provide energy for lights, appliances, and your mobile devices, supporting longer off-grid adventures. Customization is another big win for the 2026 model. Ford is offering multiple upfit packages for different lifestyles, from weekend explorers to full-time digital nomads. Whether you need a mobile office, extra water storage, or a pet-friendly travel layout, Ford has a configuration to suit your needs. The van is also compatible with a range of third-party accessories, giving owners the freedom to truly make it their own. There's a lot to love about the 2026 Ford Transit camper van. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle machine built for a new era of travel. With cutting-edge technology, sustainable power options, and thoughtful design, this van is ready to hit the road and take you wherever your dreams lead. Whether you're chasing sunsets on the coast or stargazing in the mountains, the 2026 Transit has your back. Thanks for watching Elite Auto Rides. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest automotive trends and vehicle reviews, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.